whether you know it or not, you are square in the middle of a life-altering competition. And if you win the competition, you're stronger, you're more fit, you're more mobile, you're more energetic. And if you lose the competition, your body fat goes up, your mobility goes down, your agility goes down, your energy goes down, you don't sleep as well, your immune system isn't as good, and you're generally less happy. So this is an important game to win, right? And the game is won, frankly, largely at the shopping center, right? The game is won at the counter at your grocery store. And so here's what I would encourage people to do. You can go get a great cookbook. I have no connection to Dr. Wahl's or her great books, but they are great books. And in these books, there's like lists of the world's healthiest food to buy, and it's all available at your local supermarket. And when you choose correctly, then you get home and you eat correctly. Because, when's the last time that you didn't have ice cream in the refrigerator and you still ate ice cream? Doesn't happen, right? Just the same way that when's the last time you had a salad when there was no salad stuff in the fridge? It doesn't happen. You have to have the right stuff in there so that you can have the right foods to put in you so that you can get the results that you're looking for with your newfound body, your newfound energy, and your newfound life. I'm Dr. Chris Grier. I look forward to seeing so many more people doing so much better on the lifestyle side of things, because that's going to make this world more productive, more healthy, and frankly, happier and more fun to live in. Enjoy your day.